Lele Information Wellness and Spa Academy. Inyo pong napapanood ngayon yung ating major activity of Asian Wellness. Yun po ay final coaching. Pangwalo na po ngayon natin itong ginagawa at patuloy natin ginagawa para po sa kabutihan ng mga ating mga estudyante in preparation for the Department of Health Licensure Massage Examination.
Dapat mayroon ng iba dito. Video na yan!
Saturday class. Organ? Massage? Hindi. Massage?
Isa sa ating mga activity during the final coaching ay mga games. Ang ating matutunghayan ngayon ay towel relay.
Ako sa House of Management sa panguna po ni Sir Ben.
The end of the day, sobrang naramdaman ko yung saya at kumpiyansa.
And usually their life will stop
Something tayo this day, my first and foremost, I would like to say thank you, Sir Benji, for your very warm your words of encouragement to push your dreams, and also Sir Miller for your very dedicated your words of uplifting us, especially this time that we need to push through our career, and also Hilda for helping us to achieve our dreams. And for the Alsa family for the very warm accommodation and and everybody here, and also I would like to say na kaya natin to na mapasaya.
Kapag may lisensya na, ano na maging goal nyo? Pwede na ba magkaroon natin ng konti para maging trainer, maging teacher, maging consultant, no? Negosyante. No? Kasi we need to advance in life.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga estudyante na nag-attend ng ating final coaching day. So far, so good. Masaya.
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!